For me, all people in the country, since we don't have a proper art curriculum attached to our system of education, we are lacking in many of the things. What we have to have, why I love this kind of ideas, just because unless you are beginning a feeling towards art, the feeling for colors, feeling for textures, feeling for tones, feeling for lines, feeling for forms, feeling for composition, because it is applicable to all the things in your life. As a general ordinary human being, whether he is a policeman, an auto truck driver, or the president of the country, or any other kind of bank officer, or a clerical staff, the road which we go, the house which we live, any place, it should be artistically or design oriented and accordingly modified. Your dress, your sense of colors, so that if you have that kind of orientation developed in your brain from the childhood onwards, I think our world would have been, at least India would have been much better, because then you know how to create a road, how to keep the things clean, how to keep the things in proper order. So that kind of artistic sensibility is more important. Art is not only a career, it is for the well-being of the whole culture. So art should be inculcated in all our brains, and it through fathers, their children, children to father, and quoting Wordsworth, child is the father of man. So in that way, we have to have some more ongoing process of getting involved in art. Not in the professional terms. Profession can achieve. That is the later stage we do. Because normally we study mathematics, we study physics, chemistry, or various other languages, but we are not taking that thing when we reach a position what we have to choose from. Art also should be part of that thing. But that means you have a basic knowledge of all these things when you reach out to a subject which you study. At least that much is very important for everybody in our country. So I think this kind of initiatives of small hand, big art will be another kind of milestone in our culture, in the development of cultural sensibility, etc. And I am thankful to all of you. Thank you.